Do you want to know how you can log into your Netspend Activate account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Activate account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. Now in the Google search bar, search for Netspend Activate Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal where you need to activate your prepaid card. So you want to get started by entering your card number and the security code from the back of your card. Take out the card from your pocket or your wallet and now write down the card number which you have, and you must make sure that it is connected with Netspend Activate card. Now write down the card number, write down the security code behind your card and then press continue. This way, you can log in to your Netspend Activate Prep Card account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.